Hello everyone, it's me again, Captain Hong, and today I'm going to show you the whole process that I will plant my Heuchera for my old garden. And today is a very windy day, and when you find out it's so hard to hear my voices, I'm sorry about that, because my hometown is in the mountain and it's always windy. So I'm sorry when you find out any difficulty when you try to hear my voices in this kind of condition. And the reason why I chose Heuchera for my car instead, Heuchera just bring me back to the beautiful memories in Europe. In here, Vietnam, we cannot have the red or yellow or orange leaf in the autumn like Europe, because the natural condition of Vietnam, which is so different to the natural condition of Europe. And that's the reason why Heuchera is the solution for us to bring the color to our garden. Come on, I'm going to show you this. I have the intention to arrange Heuchera along this wall line. And I also have the intention to cut off the crest over here, so I will have the space for Heuchera. So now I'm going to use a scissor to cut off and remove the crest over there.
Something strange between us. Oh, let me show you what you need to know. If you see me how I see you, it will show. I am waiting for a moment to tell you everything, but I didn't have the courage. I didn't do a thing. There was nobody around, nobody, just me and you. I know got the courage to do the things we do. Hey there, what's that sound? Something is calling from underground. Hey, I didn't notice. Hey, I didn't know.
And now I will fill the substrate into this space. Now it's the planting time.
Yeah. Yeah. She's out there, we like to party. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it. And I know you got it. You with me, let's rock this party. All the girls on the side say, and all my fellas on the side say, tonight we're gonna fly high to the skies, 'cause we're gonna have a taste of the good life. Here we go up. We're gonna rock this club till it blows up. Yeah, we're gonna live a good life. Yeah, we're gonna do it all night. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, girl, listen baby, it ain't no lie, girl. And I can't deny that you're sexy with that booty caught my eye, girl. Listen, you don't have to be the...
My garden is just in the beginning, so there are many more things they got to do to improve it. I hope y'all going to be my company along this very long process. If you want to see more interesting things about gardening or agriculture in Vietnam, just go ahead and subscribe in my channel. And the only thing you got to do is that just click into the subscribe button and turn on the symbol of the bell, so you will receive all my notifications whenever I have a new video.
Hey there, what's that sound? Something is calling from underground. Hey, I didn't notice.